Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If your ChatGPT is showing error or if your ChatGPT is not working, today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So the very first thing you should do is launch your ChatGPT application. And if you are used to logging in via a browser, you can also get logged into your account via a web browser. Now tap on three bar icon on your top left. Here you will see your name. Tap it. And here you have to clear the data because at times when your data is all messed up, it will also stop working or be very slower. For that, tap on this data controls button. Then tap on clear chat history. Once it is so, tap on it again. If you have important conversation, you may go ahead export that first and then tap on clear chat history. Now once you've done that, see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, head over to your settings, scroll below, tap on apps. Here, type in ChatGPT and then search. If you see your application, go ahead and tap onto it. If you don't see your application, that means you have not installed it. So tap onto your app, scroll below, tap on storage, clear the data. Once done, come back onto app info page, tap on force stop and then OK. Now once it is so, restart your device, launch your ChatGPT app and this shall work. Now, if you are not being able to do it from your web browser, then I recommend you download the app and this will be a whole new experience for you. So thank you for watching. We will catch up in our next upload.